guys, it's Bethany and Cherise, and we're going to talk to you guys a little bit about umbrella policies today. Most people have kind of heard about them, but they're not sure what an umbrella policy is. So Cherise, can you kind of give us the baseline of what an umbrella policy is?
Absolutely. So an umbrella policy is an absolutely fantastic policy to have. The most simple way to go ahead and explain this is that this is going to be excess liability. So I think the instance that I use when I talk to people on the phone usually is if you cause a multi-car accident, and several people obviously sustain damages or injuries or anything like that, more than likely there's going to be a lawsuit brought on against the person who originated the accident. This umbrella policy is going to kick in, and it starts out at a minimum of $1 million. You can go to 2, 3, 4, 5, and bigger limits on that if you want to. So this is going to protect the asset. So if somebody were to try and sue you, they'd go after that umbrella before they actually go after your home or any of the assets that you essentially want to protect. So it's a fantastic coverage to have. I know that I purchased one after, getting licensed in the insurance industry and seeing, how many lawsuits there actually are. You have an umbrella policy.
Me too, yeah.
So it's an absolutely fantastic policy to have. I definitely encourage it. So in order to obtain a umbrella policy with Farmers Insurance, your auto insurance has to have a minimum liability of $250,000 to $500,000 for your limits. So if we have 100, 300, or 50, 100, unfortunately we wouldn't be able to sell an umbrella policy to you. But it's just it's nice because you'll have higher limits and you have access to that umbrella in the event that something were to happen. And in the industry, well, not even in the industry, in the world these days, safeguard your assets, I think is going to be one of the best things. Absolutely.
So it sounds like you're telling me it's just this extra layer of protection. It's kind of covering my house and my autos.
It is. It's like a big giant umbrella. I wish it was like a beach umbrella, but it's not. No, it's just a regular. It's called an umbrella policy because it's going to extend past your auto policy. It's going to extend on your homeowner's liability. So I mean, it's a great coverage to have, and yeah, it's an umbrella, so it's going to extend. And the one thing about umbrellas actually that I find rather interesting, it'll cover your boat insurance as well. So if you have toys like that, your ATVs, your boats and stuff like that, it'll help extend too. However, it does not extend to travel trailers.
Oh,
so there is that as well. So that's kind of one of the only things on it. But yeah, if you guys are interested in an umbrella policy, go ahead and give me a call, give Bethany a call. She's absolutely fantastic at getting those ready for you.
Yeah, and I always love them because they just are that extra layer in the world we're in today. With what you don't want what you've worked so hard for to be taken away from you.
It's a discount.
It is
the more
another
policies
discount.
you have, you get a discount. So we love discounts, and it is a 12-month policy. So if we quote you, and let's say it's $240, it's going to be over the course of 12 months, and it'll be about $20. If that's what your quote is. So I mean, your auto policy is going to be 6 months. Your umbrella is going to be 12 months. Your home is going to be 12 months. Before I forget, I do have to let you know though, if you want an umbrella policy through Farmers Insurance, we do require that your auto policy as well as your home policy is within Farmers as well. So unfortunately we can't extend it, to different carriers. Like if you have Progressive or something like that, we can't do that. But if you do have a classic car policy like Hagerty, we can go ahead and cover those under your umbrella policy.
Yep, absolutely.
So it's always something interesting when it comes to the umbrella policies, but it's fantastic coverage to have, and absolutely enjoy quoting them.